My dear child, stop scrolling for a moment. Look at me. You have been feeling a heaviness in your heart lately, haven't you? You feel that the world is moving too fast, that time is slipping away like sand through your fingers. You are worried about the future. You are worried about 2026. I am here to tell you, do not fear the changing times, but you must prepare for them. Right now, unknowingly, you are making 5 mistakes that are blocking my light from entering your life. These mistakes are pushing you away from the peace I want to give you. If you trust me, listen to this message until the end. I want to protect you, but first, you must stop doing these 5 things. The first mistake you make is in the very first moment of your day. When you open your eyes, whom do you look for first? Is it me or is it the world? You reach for your phone. You fill your mind with the noise of others, with bad news, with anxiety. You invite chaos into your soul before you have even greeted me. My child, how can I protect your day when you started without me? Here is my instruction to you. Tomorrow, give me your first 10 minutes. Do not touch the world before you touch the divine. Just sit, close your eyes, and say my name. If you give me your morning, I will calm your mind so you can focus on your day and make it nice. The second mistake that you make hurts me the most. You treat our relationship like a business. You only come to talk to me when you are in pain. You only call my name when you want something fixed. You say, Krishna, give me this, or Krishna, why is this happening? Am I only a problem solver to you, or am I your beloved? This is what I want you to do. Stop begging. Start thanking. My child, before you ask me for anything, thank me for 3 things I have already given you. Thank me for your breath. Thank me that you are alive to see another sunrise. Gratitude is the key that opens my heart instantly. Mistake number 3. You are ignoring the guide I placed inside you. That soft voice you hear, the one that tells you, don't go there, don't send that angry message, don't trust that person. That is not just your mind, that is me. I am sitting in your heart as Paramatma, but you drown my whisper with noise. And when you ignore my whisper, you walk into traps I tried to save you from. My instruction is simple. Before you make any big decision today, pause. Close your eyes for 3 seconds. Ask me, Krishna, is this right for me? If you feel peace, proceed. If you feel restless, stop. I am always guiding you. You just need to listen. My child, why do you poison your own happiness by looking at others? This is the 4th mistake. You look at someone else's life on a screen and ask me, why did you give them so much? Why have you forgotten me? Do you think I make mistakes? I have written a unique story for you. Your struggles are designed to make you strong for the destiny I have prepared for 2026. Do not insult my plan by comparing it to someone else's highlight reel. Do this instead. When you see someone succeeding, be happy for them and say nothing. When I see your silence and being happy for others, instead of feeling jealous, you show me that you are ready for your own celebration. And finally, the mistake that keeps you awake at night. You say, Krishna, I surrender to you. But then you stay awake, worrying about how to solve your entire life's problem in your present moment. That is your mistake. My child, focus on your next month or your next year, not your entire life. If you truly trust me, you will sleep peacefully tonight because you know I'm steering the boat. You cannot carry the burden and give it to me at the same time. You must drop it. My final command to you. Tonight, take all your worries, your fear of the future, your financial stress, your family troubles, and mentally place them at my feet. Leave them there. Do not stress over the future. Just focus on what you can do for now and the next few years. The coming years will bring change, but for my devotees, there is nothing to fear. I am with you. I am within you. If you are ready to let me guide you, seal this promise now. Write in the comments below. Krishna, I trust you completely. I love you, my child. And don't forget to subscribe. I will meet you again next time. Till then, take care, dear soul.